Welcome to this guided meditation for relaxation and renewal. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, cleansing air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Let go of the worries of the day and allow yourself to fully immerse in this present moment. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, feel the tension melting away from your body with each exhale. Notice the sensation of relaxation spreading from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes, like a wave of warmth enveloping you in a soothing embrace. Allow yourself to sink deeper into this state of profound relaxation, surrendering to the gentle rhythm of your breath. Now, bring your awareness to the natural rhythm of your heartbeat. Feel the steady pulse of life coursing through your body, connecting you to the infinite energy of the universe. With each beat of your heart, affirm to yourself, I am calm. I am peaceful. I am safe. Visualize yourself standing in a beautiful, serene forest, surrounded by towering trees and dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves. Feel the soft earth beneath your feet and the gentle breeze caressing your skin. As you breathe in the crisp, invigorating air, allow yourself to become one with the natural world around you, feeling a deep sense of harmony and balance. Now, imagine a radiant ball of golden light hovering above your head, shimmering with warmth and vitality. With each inhale, draw this healing light down into your body, allowing it to permeate every cell and tissue, filling you with a sense of deep peace and tranquility. Feel any lingering tension or negativity dissolving in the presence of this radiant energy, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. As you continue to bask in this healing light, take a moment to express gratitude for this moment of stillness and renewal. Take a few moments to savor the sense of calm and clarity that fills your being, knowing that you can return to this place of inner peace whenever you need to. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, wiggling your fingers and toes and slowly opening your eyes. Take a few moments to savor the sense of calm and clarity that fills your being. Thank you for joining me on this journey to inner peace. May you carry this sense of serenity and renewal with you throughout your day. Thank you for enjoying this relaxing time you spent with me. If you'd like some tips on enhancing your meditation experience, click on the free course in the description box. Goodbye until next time.